The Nigerian Senate has passed the 2024 Nigerian Insurance Industry Reform Bill, following a report from the Committee on Banking, Insurance and Other Financial Institutions. Presented by Senator Abiru Adetokunbo, the bill aims to consolidate existing insurance regulations, including Insurance Act 2003 and several other related acts. A key goal is to improve the future of Nigerians through better insurance practices.
After the public hearing, the committee painstakingly analyzed the presentations made at the public hearing by some key stakeholders, and some of the summary will include that on the whole, the inputs made on the proposed bill as recommended by the committee for the approval of the Senate will go a long way in providing a comprehensive legal framework for the regulation and supervision of all manner of insurance businesses in Nigeria in order to ensure that the industry is able to successfully compete on a global level and also improve international competitiveness of Nigeria's insurance industry.
During the debate, some senators raised concerns about the proposed 45 billion naira minimum capital requirements for reinsurance businesses, suggesting it should remain unchanged due to economic challenges.
In view of the fact that subsequent increase in the insurance capital base have been leading to the death of insurance company in Nigeria, and reflective on the economy, I propose that the existing capital base of Nigeria insurance company, which is not even backed up by any law so far, should be retained, rather than going to 45 billion at the time.
International banks are raising their minimum capital to 500 billion. And we know in other jurisdictions, insurance companies actually own banks. So if we don't have fully capitalized insurance companies, then they will not be able to do the business. And talking about reinsurance companies, yes, we may have only one, Nigerian Re and African Re. Inability to have sufficient capital makes them to reinsure their businesses outside of these countries.
Then international banks, 500 billion. And, I know that banking and this insurance are interrelated. In most climes, Mr. Chairman, and my brother Senator Jimon knows that much more, that insurance companies ought to even be bigger. They ought to be bigger than even banks. Insurance companies actually even own banks because they reinsure banks.
Deputy Senate President Abiru Adetokunbo, who presided over the session, stated that the bill would help revolutionize the sector, providing a stronger legal and a regulatory framework for the industry.
Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, the National Insurance Corporation of Nigeria Act Cap 54N, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, the Nigerian Reinsurance Corporation Act Cap N131, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, to provide for a comprehensive legal and regulatory framework for insurance business in Nigeria and for related matters 2024, third reading taken and passed, will really help in reshaping our economy for the better. All over, whatever that has to do with any economy is dynamic. Life changes at all time. Economies change at all time. It's therefore incumbent on the authorities of every nation to recraft their legislations to go in tandem with contemporary realities. And this is what has been done by the passage of this legislation. The intent is to restructure the entire ecosystem, insurance ecosystem, in a way that it will go in tandem with contemporary happenings within our economy.